Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I got some ostrich and I'm going to spread it on here. I'm making it West Indies style. So I've got some cumin, about a teaspoon. Chili powder, about the same. Crushed red pepper, I like a lot. I ain't afraid of the heat. Cinnamon. Garlic. And hot sauce. Let me get my oil. Where the hell is that cup? There we go. Measure that out because I'm brain dead. Cannabis oil I made with olive oil. I put the cinnamon in, correct? And a little bit of salt, grind of pepper. My mom, well, minus the cannabis oil, of course. Although, I'll tell you this. 1977, Rod Stewart in Faces was playing at Chicago Stadium, and I didn't have a job, but I had money for weed. So I couldn't get my driver's license at 16, all right? I had to wait a year because I couldn't afford any insurance. My parents were somewhat responsible, and so they drove me and my girlfriend. I had a bag of weed, of course, and we saw Rod Stewart in Faces. And they sat main floor, my parents. They actually sat main floor. And my dad told me, you know, he got high a long time, you know, but didn't when they were married. Well, he said he got a contact buzz when we were driving home. You know, that much I remember driving home, okay? I know it was a good show. I remember I wasn't with that girlfriend long because she was a priss. So, anyway. Yeah, she didn't even get high. What the hell was I with that broad for? So, anyway, this broad I've been with for over 40 years. She did get high, but doesn't like it. Likes the gummies. You know what? This looks pretty damn good, don't it? Get that out of the way. Nice and moist. You know what? I'm going to move it over here. Yeah. I'm going to finish this and probably use the rest of that meat. And in the meantime, why don't you guys go take a look at our pro tip. The charts I put together, tips and hints, professional tips and stuff. Larry's pro tip. Enjoy. Hey poopers. Welcome to hashtag straight poop again. Yeah, I got my flatbread, my game meat flatbread, and I got it in my veggie basket here, okay? I got the firebox up to like 2 or 3 because I want to get this thing heated on the bottom, but I don't want to burn it, okay? So why I'm using this thing, because then I could turn it, okay? Let me hang on here. Yeah, secure that, and it's not going to burn, and the meat's not going to fall off. And that's a nice thing, man. Instead of just putting this and taking a, spatula to it, I got complete control. And I'm not gonna burn the shit out of this stuff, okay? All game meat is expensive, man. You know, it's even more expensive than USDA Prime. But there's more steer out there than there is game, I guess. It is a specialty, so bringing this back up. Okay, I've got chunks of apple on a bed of mesquite fuel, okay? So, yeah, now that sizzles there. This is my high end of the fire. I had a chart made, hot, low, and that's from my cookbook. We had charts made and they're called pro tips. You probably already saw one, but we put one in every video. See how that's nicely cooked? Yeah, baby. That's exactly what we're looking for. And we don't want to overcook it, okay? So, and the crust is not cooked. It's like perfect. And the fire's perfect too. That's exactly what you want. I got embers and I got wood on top of the embers. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, man. I'd say a couple. I don't know. Let's see. Gonna give it one more flip. Yeah, I love that sound, man. Without the threat of having to have the meat fall off, I get to cook the meat as much as I want it done. I think that's it. That's my sound. That's my sound. It's done. Let's get this off. Back. Let me lower that. Let me get this. Giving you a beauty shot. Here's your game meat on flatbread. Sorry I'm bouncing things around, man. But yeah, that's your game meat on flatbread. Beautiful, isn't it? Nice and toasty. You saw the back end. It's not burnt. Get a basket, man. It's the best way to make this. Hey, our link for our cookbook is still there. If it isn't working, go to description page. My email address is there. Just email me. I'll get it to you like right away. Okay, poopers. So on that note, my dogs love having you out here. And we'll see you next time on #StraightPoop. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.